Here's my 2002 Vornado high velocity fan. This model has since been discontinued, it's obvious. But it was made, I believe it was made December 20th, 2002. And so I purchased it in 2003. It's, I wouldn't consider it vintage because it didn't come out in the 90s, but it is a really old fan that's no longer being produced. So with that being said, let's go ahead and run it. By the way, the new one is the Vornado 270. And of course, it's weak on low, it's weak on medium, and it's pretty good on high. But this one has far more power. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Here we go. You probably won't hear the wind stream, and I do apologize. But if you do hear the wind stream, then good. The model number of this one is the 679. Oh, you know what? I was thinking about the other fan when I said the 270. I meant the other one because I got the 279, which is the older one you see right behind you, or behind the this one right here. Yeah, that's on the couch. I'm gonna get to that one too. So I'm my bad. I'm sorry, but this is the older model, but it's the 679, and the newer version of this is the 673. Now, don't ask me why Vornado got the numbers all backwards. I don't know why they do that. Okay, it's a freak show. That's all I can tell you. It's very quiet on low. But yeah, it still moves a good amount of air. I'm going to try to tilt it back so you guys can hear the wind stream. Hold on. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. If you couldn't hear it then, I do apologize. All right, let's go ahead and end this video. And the spin down time. It's not that long. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. Lamont the Fan Collector. And out.